everyone, I'm Shrishti. Welcome back to Listing Killing Your Sales with your favorite e-commerce talk with Webby, your ultimate hangout for all things e-commerce. A series by Webby Global where we make selling smarter and smoother. As we all know, this is not the usual boring business talk. It's real stories, no filter, and solutions you will want to use. So, let's get down to it. Today, we are exploring something that could be secretly draining your sales: product listing mistakes. Whether you're selling on Amazon, Shopify, or TikTok Shop, your listing has to be top-notch. But what happens when it's not? Well, let's just say you missed out on sale. It's a big time, and to help us break this down, I have got two awesome experts with me, Divya and Paro. So welcome guys, these two are full of amazing inside tips and tricks you will relate to. But here is an amazing twist. Trust me, both of these guys are amazing. So without further ado, let's kick things off with Paro. Over to you.
Hi Srishti, thanks for having me.
So let's start with why this is such a big deal. Suppose you are walking past a store with a messy display. दिल से बोलना पारू. Are you going in? नहीं ना. That's exactly how it works online too. Your listing is the first thing customers see. If it doesn't hook them, they are gone. Right, Paru?
Yeah, right. Okay, so mistake number one, bad photos. Customer can't touch you, feel your product online. So your photos are their first impression. Blurry, dark, okay, and or boring pictures. Instant, no thanks. To fix this, you need to bright, clear, high quality images that pop up. And show your products from all angles and include lifestyle shots to help customer just imagine how they are using it. And photos that tell a story. What are the differences?
Now we go to the Divya. You can tell about Parul's opinion.
Agree, Parul. Now let's talk about another common mistake: boring product description. एक किस्सा सुनाती हूँ जो मैंने सोशल मीडिया पे पढ़ा था. A seller was struggling with the sales because their product description were as dull as plain khichdi. For example, they are listing for a water bottle just said 1 liter bottle, plastic and blue, बस इतना ही. Now tell me, does that make you want to buy? Of course not, yeah. Instead, imagine reading something like this. It's like stay hydrated, on the go with the spill proof, BPA free bottle, lightweight, sleek and perfect for your busy day, right? देखा कितना difference है दोनों में. You are not just listing features, you are painting a picture how this product feel into your customer's life. Description like this are not just informative, they are engaging and relatable. That's what hooks your audience and get them to hit add to cart, right, Parul?
Okay, so alright Divya, let's talk about one of the biggest blunder, ignoring keywords. Like someone searching for a red jacket for a winter, but your listing just says jacket. Matlab seriously? Are they expecting Google or Amazon to mind read and magically show your products? Okay, so keywords are your product VIP pass to get noticed. Think like your customer. What are they typing into the search bar? Stylish red jacket for chilly winters and soft neck pillow for travels, or a skincare for sensitive skin. So those exact phrases are your keywords. Add them to your title, description and bullet points. It's like giving Amazon or Google a perfect teaser map. Without them, bhai, it's like hiding your product into the middle of a crowd market and expecting people to just stumble upon it. Not gonna work. Keywords को अपने एक secret weapons की तरह यूज करो. ये simple mapping है जो Google या Amazon को आपके प्रोडक्ट तक पहुंचाने का रास्ता दिखाता है. Okay, when you use this right, your product show up first in search result. Okay, like you have got a VIP pass, Divya, right?
So, yeah, right. So there is a big mistake that so many sellers makes. They treat every platform the same. लेकिन ये गलत है ना यार. Such each platform has its own vibes. If you get the vibe right, your listing will be the next level. Take Amazon for example, it's all about review and speed, right? If your product has glowing reviews and the promises fast delivery, you are pretty much golden. भाई ये speed का magic है. Customer love quick service, and if you deliver on that, they will find you before they even finish scrolling. Amazon is like a race. So now Paru will talk about the TikTok shop and the maybe more.
TikTok shop यार. TikTok is the place where fun, trends and personality rule the words. Okay, अगर तुम अपनी लिस्टिंग को सीरियसली बनाओगे तो समझ लो you are like that guy who shows up at a party in a tuxedo when everyone else in a cool, chill days and थोड़ा out of place लगता है ना. TikTok is all about keeping it real, keeping it fun. It's like being that one friend who's always cracking jokes. Okay, getting the spotlight and everyone wants to hang with them. अगर तुम अपने लिस्टिंग को थोड़ा फन और रिलेटेबल बनाओगे तो तुम लाइफ ऑफ द पार्टी बन जाओगे और सब लोग तुम्हें जरूर फॉलो करना चाहेंगे. Alright, now I am coming to Shopify. Think of it like a friendship vibe where everyone wants to trust and ease. Here, customers don't just want a product, they want a smooth shopping experience. Like your checkout process should be easy, that the customer won't realize they have bought something. If you get the smoothness right, you have got the trust, magic in your hands. Your website design should be simple and professional and make customer feels like this is what the right choice. And listen, one size fits all doesn't work here. Every platform has its style. You have got the match, the vibe of each platform. And listen, every platform has its style. You have got the match, the vibe of each platform. Once you understand how each platform works, tailor your listing according like you have learned a magic trick. So the formula is simple. Understand each platform, add your touch and watch your sales go up.
Alright Parul, if I'll talk about the mobile optimization, we all know सब shopping अपने phone से ही करते हैं these days, right? So if your listing looks like a messy on your phone, text cut off, image not loading and buttons are not working, you are saying, I am okay with the losing customers. Customers will just hit that back buttons faster than you can say sales का time गया. Here is a simple tip. Before you publish your listing, always check out it looks on your phone. Agar everything looks smooth, you are all set. But if it feel like your listing is struggling to load and it's all over to the place, it's time to fix it. So I'll give you the pro tips. Testing on your phone is must. Don't skip it. Testing कर लो यार, क्या जाता है, सभी smooth हो जाएगा.
Now Parul will tell us a story about this e-commerce struggle.
Sure, Srishti. Let me share a quick story about a seller who was struggling with sales. Okay, so their sales were basic and description was boring and they didn't even think about keywords and their sales were practically invisible. तो हमने क्या किया? हमने उनकी लिस्टिंग को एक पूरा मेकओवर दिया. फोटोज प्रोफेशनल, ब्राइट एंड आई कैचिंग और डिस्क्रिप्शन guess what? We added those smart targeted keywords and results. Sales shot up by 40% in just a 1 week. Yep, 40%. That's how a powerful, a well-optimized listing can be. Now, come up with Srishti again, who will hit you with some amazing fire tips for listing.
Alright Farrell, like that story is really amazing. Let me share it tips but in my style. Ani sure and mostly here for the coffee. लेकिन हाँ यार थोड़ा बहुत ज्ञान तो मैं भी दे सकती. Creating the perfect product listing is like setting up for a straddle. You want to impress but keep it real. So start with photos. It will be like bright, clear and showing every angle. Because buyers don't want just that one good angle. They want a full trip. मतलब सिर्फ दुल्हन का फोटो नहीं, पूरा खानदान दिखना चाहिए. Now for descriptions, don't bore with them with high quality material type lines. Instead, show them how your product make life easier. जैसे कि हम लाए हैं आपके लिए 50 रुपए में 500 चीजें. It's funny, but कस्टमर को ऐसे कन्विंस करेगी क्रूज करो जैसे मॉम को गोवा ट्रिप जाने के लिए करते हो. Keywords, that's your magic masala. Think about what people would type, like affordable kurta for festivals. Use those words everywhere in title, description, bullet points. It's your shortcut to getting found. And every platform has its personality. Amazon is like a formal shadi invite, full of details. And TikTok? It's the Sangeet, fun, trendy and vibey. और Shopify की बात की जाए तो That's the elegant reception. Classy and clean. हर जगह अपना अंदाज लगाओ, पक्की अपनी अपनी वाइब है यार. And always check your listing on your phone. मतलब मोबाइल फ्रेंडली है या नहीं, वरना सब स्वाइप लेफ्ट करके चले जाएंगे. Just like a dating app. If your listing isn't looking good, no one's going to swipe right. So everyone's scrolling fast, so make sure your listing is the perfect match. Now try and watch your product get all the right swipes and sell like the perfect match. And that's a wrap for today, and a big thanks to Parul and Divya for their amazing insights. If you feel this episode is actually helpful to you, then don't forget to hit subscribe and share with your fellow sellers. Stay tuned for the next episode of E-Commerce Talk with Webby, where we help you sell smarter every day. And remember, if you ever face any e-commerce struggle, just remember one thing: Webby it out. And you can also check us on every social media for more e-commerce magic. Until next time, keep hustling and stay awesome.